Good morning, students. In previous class, I have done exercise 2.1. Today, we will do exercise 2.2. Okay. Look at exercise 2.2. Pause it and take a screenshot of exercise 2.2. Okay. Question number 1. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. Okay, students. Okay. Roman numeral for 50 is C. Okay. C represents 50. No. L represents 50. Okay. It is false. Roman numeral for 100 is C. C represents 100. Roman numeral for 100 is C. It is true. Write T. Question number C. Hindu Arabic numeral for XIX is 19. X represents 10. IX represents 9. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. 19 is represents Hindu Arabic numeral for XIX is 19. It is true. Okay, students. Question number D. Hindu Arabic numeral for XLVII is 67. Okay. XL represents 40. VI represents 7. 40 plus 7, 47. Okay. XLVII represents 47. Okay. Doesn't represent 67. It is false. Question number E. Roman numeral for 47 is XLVII. Okay, XL represents 40, VII represents 7. 40 plus 7 is equal to 47. True. Okay. Question number F. Roman numeral for 95 is BC. 95 is BC. Okay. XC represents 90. V represents 5. 90 plus 5. XCV represents 95. It is false. Okay, students. Question number 2. Encircle the incorrect Roman numerals. Okay. IXX, IXX. IXX doesn't represent any number. Okay. XL represents 40. XII, X represents 10. I represents 2. 10 plus 2, 12. IXI doesn't represent any number. LIV represents 50. 4, L for 50, IV for 4, 54. Okay, this is wrong, incorrect Roman numeral. Okay, question number B. XC represents 90. Okay, XC doesn't represent any number. LXX 50, 60, 70. Okay, VII represents 7. XXXXI. Okay, I told you X can be repeated up to 3 times. Okay, not 4 times. Okay, so this doesn't represent any number. Encircle the incorrect Roman numeral. Okay, question number C. XC VIII XC represents 90. VIII represents 8. Okay, 90 plus 8, 98. Okay, VL doesn't represent any Roman numeral. XL represents 40. LII represent 52. XX represent 30. V represent 5. 30 plus 5, 35. Okay, VL doesn't represent any number. Encircle the incorrect Roman numeral. Question number D. Question number D. XC represent 90. Okay, XXC doesn't represent any number. XXL doesn't repeat any number, doesn't represent any number. CVIV doesn't represent any number. XC represent 90. V5 95. Okay, encircle the incorrect Roman numeral. Okay, XXL doesn't represent any number. LX represents 60. V5 65. VLX doesn't represent any number. XLV 40 plus 5 45. XLX doesn't represent any number. Okay, encircle the incorrect Roman numeral. XIX X represents 10. IX represents 9, 19. IBX doesn't represent any Roman number or any number. XL represents 40. XXC doesn't represent any number. VLV doesn't represent any number. Okay, circle the incorrect Roman numeral. Okay. Question number 3. Arrange the following Roman numeral in ascending order. Okay. In ascending order, we arrange the number smallest to largest. Okay. Okay. L for 50. IX for 9. XL for 40. Okay. LX, L 50, 60. XXX 30. Okay. Which is the smallest? 9. 9 IX. After 30. X X X. Okay. Leave 9 and 30 after, which is the smallest? 40 XL. $50 L, and last, which is the largest, 60 L X. Okay, students. Question number 2. Question number B. L represents 50. X represents 20. C represents 100. Okay. L represents 54. LV represents 54. XC represents 90. Okay, students. Which is the smallest? 50, 20, 100, 54, 20, 90. 20 is the smallest. Write XX. Okay. Leave 20, which is the smallest? 50 L for 50. After 54. Sorry, LV. Okay. $20, $50, $54. Leave after 90 XC. And finally, at last, which is the largest? 100 C. Okay. Question number C. XVII for X10 7. Okay. VII 7 17. XXI represents, XX represent 20 plus 1 21. XIX represent, X represent 10, IX represent 9 19. XX represent 20. Okay. X, IV, X represent 10, IV represent 4, 14. Okay. Which is the smallest? 14. Write 14 here. X, IV. Afterward, which is the smallest? 17. X, V, I. Okay. 14, 17. Afterward, 19. X, IX. Okay. 20. And last 21 is the biggest. Right? 21. Okay, students. Question number D. IV represent 4. X represent 10. XI for 11. XV for 15. XX for 20. Which is the smallest? 4. Okay. Afterward, 10. Write X. 11. Okay. 15. Arrange the numbers smallest to largest. XV. And last 20 is the biggest. Okay, students. Question number E and F. Do yourself. Question number E and F. Do yourself. Okay. Pause it and take a screenshot. And all question do yourself. Last question. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with suitable Roman numerals. Okay. X, X, V. X, X represent 20. V represent 5. 25. Add up 25. Okay. XL represent 40. Okay. Which number is added to 20, which number is added to 25 to get 40? Which number is added to 25 to get 40? 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. X V. Okay. X V represent 15. L represent 50. XL represent 40. Okay. L 50, 40. Which number is subtracted from 50 to get 40? 50. Which number is subtracted from 50 to get 40? 10. 10 is subtracted from 50 to get 40. Okay. 10 X. Okay. X V I X represent 20. V I represent 7. 27. Okay, X represent 20, I represent 3, 20 plus 3, 23. Okay, 27 plus 23, 27 plus 23 equal to 50. We write here L. Okay, students. Okay. X represent 10. L represent 50. Which number is added to 10 to get 50? 40, of course. 40, XL. XL represent 40. Okay. Next question. X 2. X I 30 plus 2 32. XL represent 40. Okay. Which number is added to 32 to get 48? Okay. 8 is added to 32 to get 40. Okay. At V 5 I 6 7 8. Okay. Last XC represent 90, I 2 92, XL 40, (92) minus 40, 92 minus 40, 52, 52 L I. Okay, students, all the question of exercise 2.2 complete on your notebook. Understand everyone? Okay, bye.